Friends, how are you? In this video we will discuss about the bird AI first update. So if we just start this update is first update was date was 223 uh, mm, and for May, okay. 10 okay, 10 May 2013 was the first update. Welcome to BART inaugural or experiment update. In this update, BART covered experiment update pages. What? We launched an experiment update page to post the latest feature, improvement, and bug fixing for the BART experiment. Okay, and why this update BART did so that people will have an easy place to see the latest BART update for them to test and provide feedback. Okay, here is the reason why BART they got the fast update. And again, there are some more when you click Google it. uh, Here one option bird added in their bird AI page, just as if you search anything in or any command in bird AI, then if you want to learn more, then you can do this by Google it. Okay, after that here what's can what's here the update, we added additional suggest a search topic when people click it Google. This is the matter. If you ask to bird AI anything, and if you want to learn more about this, then you can just click on the Google it, then it will open a new page, and then you can learn more about this topic. Why this update? People will able to explore and border drains of interest with more related topic. In bird AI, if you just one in your word, then bird will give you just few specific answer. And if you want to learn more about that topic, then you can just click the Google it, then a new page will open, and you can learn more about that uh, uh, I mean topic. Update to bird capability. Okay, there is the another big update. What we have updated bird with better capability is for math and logic. Okay, this is the point. Why bird does not always get it right on math and logic prompt, and we are working together a higher quality response in those area. In this update, BART are now very much strong about their BART math and logic topic. And if you ask anything in BART about math or logic and any type this topic, then BART will more strong than before. So from after this date, if you ask in bird anything about math and logic, this answer will be more accurately. Okay, this is the first update, and we will make a video in the next for the next update for the bird. So hope you enjoy this video in the next time. Thank you and happy YouTubing.